We'll begin by creating a new flow for SageMaker AutoML. A flow in Trifacta contains the data sources and recipes that make up a data pipeline. We'll select a couple of CSV files that contain reference data and upload them into our flow. These files contain details of past marketing campaigns as well as a lookup table to encode education levels. Then we'll pull in our core data set from a relational database, in this case Postgres. Notice that Trifacta allows you to see a quick preview of each data set before you bring it in. Next, we will create a recipe attached to the core dataset and click on Edit Recipe. We will use the Join tool from the toolbar and choose Campaign Data. Notice that Trifacta automatically detects customer ID as the best candidate for join key. We will use inner join as the type of join and select all the columns except customer ID in the output so as to de-identify the records. We can see a quick preview of the join results before adding it to the recipe. We then scroll to the socio-economic column, which Trifacta has correctly detected as a JSON object. We can select the column, and Trifacta offers a suggestion to unnest the individual columns that make up the object. Once again, Trifacta shows a preview of the output before you add the step to your recipe. At this point, we no longer need the original JSON column, so we will delete it. We will now address some data quality issues found in the source. Notice that the consumer price index column is shown as having a string type, which is odd. This is because the data contains commas in place of decimal points, which is common when you mix data from different geographies. If you simply select the comma, Trifacta offers a suggestion to replace this value, and we can replace it with a decimal point. The column now shows the correct type. If you look at the data quality bar for marital and default columns, you will notice that there are several missing values. We will select the missing values and replace it with something else. In this case, we will enter a value of unknown. We will apply the same transformation rule to the default column as well. Trifacta makes it simple to apply transformation rules across multiple columns using wildcards if necessary. If you look at the value histogram for the job field, you'll notice that there are some duplicate entries. These are caused by misspellings and differing punctuations. For example, blue hyphen collar versus blue space collar, which are a fairly common occurrence in user-entered freeform text. Trifacta has a powerful standardization feature that allows you to quickly identify groups of similar strings and specify which groups to combine into a single value. We will apply this grouping to the admin category as well. The groupings can be based on string similarity as well as phonetics. Choosing the phonetics options identifies some further groups such as housemaid, which can be collapsed together as well. Now that the data quality issues are out of the way, the next step is to perform feature engineering, which involves the application of business domain knowledge to capture human expertise and encode it into meaningful features that the model can learn from. Take a look at the education column. It contains a textual representation of a customer's educational attainment. However, these descriptions have no implicit order. We will perform a lookup against a table that stores the ordinal key associated with each description, ranging from 0 for illiterate to 6 that represents a university degree. After performing the lookup, we delete the original column and rename our new column. Let's take a look at the age column. Age is a numeric feature, but we can use binning to group together various age groups that share common characteristics. This can enhance the predictive power of the model. For example, senior citizens aged 65 and over may be eligible for additional discounts and tax incentives that make them a better candidate for a term deposit offer. We can apply our business domain expertise to come up with sensible boundaries for our custom bins. For example, we may group everyone 17 years and below into a minor category and everyone over 65 years into a senior category. In some cases, you can combine two or more features to enhance the predictive power of the model. We will select the columns for job and marital status, then choose the merge transformation to combine them into a composite feature. The resulting column contains distinct values for every combination of job and marital status, such as technician single and management married. At this point, we have a data preparation pipeline that is ready to produce outputs to train SageMaker AutoML. We can choose Run Job and set the output destination to S3 and the output format to CSV. This is the location from which SageMaker AutoML will read the prepared data. Now run the job. When the job has finished executing, you can review the output profile to ensure that the data quality meets your expectations. If so, you can pick up the S3 output path from the Output Destinations tab and provide it to SageMaker AutoML.